Orangi bikimbekyo gya Kenya Teachers College Sports Association naboiga habarigani kurwa sorongo rwa Nyanza na college ya Sumbe yalenge ngarigani asegeti kya Kisii University igo bonsi batabona kigosori ekyo mbuya chiaera naboigo hebata bakigosori umwaka yo igo cyabakingiye muno asabono baba comment urusagi kurwa Northeastern naboigo bamenta kigosori kinde cyo kungusane ngori yemanyakanete una tagwofo Mulikito Wycliffe Tyson Manyara aroboti urasinchira yowekira
Asi chikosoli echichi college cy'ubwalimu kwenye nigo kirekorwa chinsemo isano na ibere kulenda so mwaka oyo iga mbamenta urusagia rwa Northeastern na barabomba banomogoko asokomentwa na kokosolia omwaka oyo.
Let me note that we are assembled here as 8 regions. We have a very new region, Northeastern region, which has the secretary by the name Abdi, and the chairman is the principal Garissa TTC. We are happy to have them. We used to be only 7 regions, but now we are full house. We are 8 regions.
Ahmed Omar, by the name Ahmed Omar Olo from Tarbaj Teachers Training College, Wajir County in Northeastern region. For now here we are very happy participating in athletics, national athletics competition, and we have really gained a lot of knowledge and skills to be part in this athletics competition, and we are wishing more and we are willing to be gaining more skills and knowledges and participating.
Abdi nero mulikomo nene kula Northeastern region nigo nerego kigwa na boigo naerera isabali buna yabe tentambe kula Northeastern wochagaiga Kisii.
My name is Abdakin Muhammad Abdi, the Secretary General, Northeastern Region. We are very happy that we have participated pool games last time as a region. We are also very happy that we brought a team of athletics composed of male and female, where we had 27 female participants participating in different categories in field and track. The college that we have in the region, the public ones are 4. We have Mandera Teachers Training College. In Wajir County we have 2 public colleges, that is Tarbash Teachers Training College and Elas Teachers Training College. In Garissa we have Garissa Teachers Training College. We had a stopover at Garissa. We again started our journey. We had again a stopover at Narok TTC, and the third day we came all the way from Narok to Asumbi TTC.
Ababui begosori yuko ngusana na enkoli yani tag of war iyo yanjeretwe omwaka oyo iga mbaba nomogoko omonene.
Hii ni timu ya tag of war. Tunatoka Rift Valley, tuna represent Mosoriot, tunacheza Teachers Training College. So tumekuwa finals, imekuwa Nyanza region, wanapatana na sisi Rift Valley na tumejikaza. Game inaenda set 3 na set ya kwanza haikutuendea vizuri, lakini set ya pili na ya 3 tumepata ushindi.
Timu Tuti nere omworoki omonene bwe college ya Borabu boigo omunyakeroko omonene bwo Rosagia rwa Nyanza nigo ateba obwarigania mbuya bwabete.
And I think to the best of my knowledge we have done fairly well. No hiccups. We feared for the rains, but the weather has been favorable and we are doing the last day.
President yekiombe kyo kya KTCSA Duncan Makunga nigo ateba ekiminano kyo mwaka oyo iga nigo kyabeire kiyamono kubwa emyaka ya magega nabo igo oteba buna ababuyi nigo barachi kumerana na ababuyi korwa chinse cha East Africa asense ya Tanzania Morogoro.
And I want to use this opportunity to say our championship has reached the highest level of competition. We are focused towards ensuring that we conclude this event in good time, and that after this conclusion of this event, we are looking forward to having the East African Championships in Morogoro, Tanzania. And I want to believe we have chosen on at least 5 games to participate in the East African inaugural games for the colleges in East Africa.
Orosagia rwa Rift Valley na rwa Tangana asio konyora bagosoria abanke. Western region namba 2, Nairobi region namba 3, Eastern region namba 4, Nyanza region namba 5, Central region namba 5 nemo, Coast region namba 5 na 2 na Northeastern region nero yasieka namba 5 na 3. Wycliffe Tyson ekionga chigosori.